In this video, we are going to discuss the topic that is 13.4 oxidation, reduction and redox reaction. In this video, we are going to discuss only about oxidation and reduction. I will upload the next video for redox reactions. Now we are going to discuss about oxidation and reduction. Do you know about rusting? What is meant by rusting? Yes, in rusting ion is converted into hydrated iron oxide because in the presence of oxygen and water. So, in rusting, iron is converted into hydrated iron oxide in the presence of oxygen and water. So, what it is happening? Here, here oxygen is added to iron. Like that, in all combustion reaction substances, burns to form one or more oxide. Like that, all the combustion reactions substances that burns to form one or more oxide. We can take the example, if we burn magnesium, it burns brightly and form magnesium oxide. For example, if you are taking magnesium means it burnt brightly and it forms magnesium oxide. Because here O is added to magnesium, because here oxygen is added to magnesium. So, this type of reaction is called as oxidation reaction. First is the rusting. In rusting, iron is converted into hydrated iron oxide in the presence of oxygen and water. So, what it is happening? Here, oxygen is added to iron. Like that, in all the combustion reactions, substances burns to form one or more oxide. For example, if we burnt magnesium means magnesium will burn brightly and it forms a magnesium oxide. While converting in magnesium oxide, oxygen is added. So this type of reaction we will call it as oxidation reaction. Now see here children, when we cut apple and left for some times, what will happen? Its surface turns into brown. So this is due to oxidation of some compounds in its surface. When we cut an apple and if we left for some time means its surface turns into brown. So this is how due to oxidation of some compounds in its surface. Like that, if we extract metal from metallic oxide, in there are oxygen from metal. It is called as reduction reaction. What does that means? If we extract metal from metallic oxide, in there oxides from metal is called reduction reaction because oxygen are getting removal. So that is said to be as reduction reaction. For example, now let us see the brief definition for oxidation and reduction. See here. Oxidation, the chemical reaction which involves addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or loss of electrons is called as oxidation. What is oxidation is? The chemical reaction which involves first is addition of oxygen and then removal of hydrogen and then the loss of electrons. It is called as oxidation. Now let's see some example. Look at the first one. Magnesium burnt with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. First example is that magnesium is burnt with oxygen and it is forming as magnesium oxide. So the equation is Mg plus O2. Magnesium is burnt with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide means MgO. Here there is 2 oxygen. So here we are adding 2. So to balance this equation, here there are 2 magnesium. To balance this equation, here we are adding number 2. So here what is added? What is added here? Here the oxygen is added with magnesium. Magnesium is burnt with oxygen and it forms magnesium oxide. So what is added here? Here there is an addition of oxygen. So it is an oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, there should be addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen or loss of electrons. In magnesium, while the magnesium is burnt with oxygen, oxygen is added with magnesium. So it is an example for oxidation reaction. Now let us see the next example. Next one is decomposition of calcium hydrate. What is that? Decomposition of calcium hydrate. Calcium hydrate is CaH2. Now decomposition of calcium hydrate, Ca, calcium plus hydrate. Here in calcium hydrate, hydrogen is removed. See here, in calcium hydrate, hydrogen is removed. So what is that? It is an example for oxidation reaction. While the magnesium is burnt with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, the magnesium is added with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. But here, decomposition of calcium hydrate, the hydrogen is removal. So it is an example for oxidation reaction. Next is ferrous ion converted into ferric ion by losing one electron. See here, ferrous ion converted into ferric ion. So if it loses the electron means that is a positive ion. If it gains the electron means that will be as a negative ion. So what is the ferrous ion? Ferrous ion is Fe2+. Fe2+, what it is doing? It is losing one electron. So it is losing one electron means it becomes Fe3+ plus 1 electron. It loses how many electrons? It loses only 1 electron. So here we are writing as 1e. Or we can write as E minus. If it loses 1 electron means we can denote this as also E minus. So here ferrous ion converted into ferric ion by losing 1 electron. So losses 1 electron means that is an example for oxidation reaction. See here, if the oxidation number increases, that is oxidation reaction. For example, see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. What is the ferrous ion oxidation number? 2 plus. 2 plus, it loses 1 electron and becomes 3 plus. So the oxidation number is getting increasing. So it is if the oxidation number increases means that is an oxidation reaction. Are you clear? Look at the first example. In the first example, magnesium burnt with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here there is an addition of oxygen. Next is decomposition of calcium hydrate. In that there is a removal of hydrogen. And while the ferrous ion is converted into ferric ion by losing 1 electron. That is here there is a loss of 1 electron. So it is an example for oxidation reaction. Are you clear? Next one is reduction. The chemical reaction which involves removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen or gain of electrons is called as reduction. But in the oxidation, there is an addition of oxygen. In the oxidation, there is addition of oxygen means in reduction, there will be a removal of oxygen. In oxidation, there is a removal of hydrogen. So in reduction, there will be a addition of hydrogen. In the oxidation, there is a loss of electron. So in the reduction, there will be a gain of electrons. Okay. Now, let us see with some examples. Copper oxide react with oxygen. Copper oxide is reacting with oxygen. What is the copper oxide? CuO plus H2. Copper oxide react with oxygen. So, Cu plus H2O. The water is joined with oxygen is joined with H2 and it forms water. So here what is happening? Oxygen is removed from copper oxide. What is that? Oxygen is removed from copper oxide. So it is an example for reduction reaction. It is an example for reduction reaction. Look at the next example. Sodium react with hydrogen. Sodium Na. Na is the sodium and sodium is react with hydrogen. So after reacting it forms sodium hydrate. So there is an addition of hydrogen. Here the hydrogen is added to the sodium atom. So there is an addition of hydrogen. Next is ferric ion reduced to ferrous ion. Ferric ion is reduced to ferrous ion. Fe3 plus. It is reduced to ferric ion, means it is gaining the electron. Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus. If it is gaining electron, means that is a negative ion. See here. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here -1, -2, -3. First there is a Fe3 plus. Fe3 plus is reduced to Fe2 plus. So there is a decrease in oxidation number. Oxidation number is getting decreased. So this is an example for reduction reaction. If the oxidation number increases, means that is an oxidation reaction. If the oxidation number decreases, means that is an reduction reaction. See here students, if the electron losses means we want to write in right hand side. If the electron losses means we want to write that one electron in right hand side. If the electron gains means we want to write it in left hand side. Here there is a gain of electron. So here we are writing one electron in left hand side. Now are you clear about oxidation and reduction? Now let us see in tabular column. See here. Oxidation. Oxidation, there is a addition of oxygen, but in reduction there is a removal of oxygen. Next, in oxidation there is a removal of hydrogen. In reduction there is an addition of hydrogen. Next is oxidation is loss of electron. In reduction there is a gain of electron. In the oxidation reaction, the oxidation number increases, and in the reduction reaction, the oxidation number decreases. Are you clear about oxidation and redox reaction?